we are going to discuss about angular transformation. Okay, let us start the problem. First problem. There are 1, 2, 3 problems, 4 problems are there, very, very important. When axis rotated by pi by 4, find the transformed equation of find the transformed equation of 3x square plus xy 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. Now listen the solution. Now what is the given? Theta is equal to pi by 4. What is that? Theta is equal to what? Pi by 4. Okay, which is 45 degrees. Now small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Okay, capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. You have to remember this formula. Okay, angular transformation, so formula is this. So capital X into what is the cos theta value? 45. Cos 45 minus sin 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. So x minus y by root 2. Okay. Right. Next, x into sin 45 plus y cos 45. Again sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So this becomes x plus y by root 2. Therefore, transformed equation, what is that? 3 into x is replaced by x minus y by root 2 whole square plus 10 into x minus y by root 2 into x plus y by root 2 plus 3 into x plus y by root 2 is equal to how much here is given? 9. Now observe here, x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy, root 2 square is 2. Here 10 into a plus b into a minus b, so x square minus y square by 2. We apply a plus b into a minus b. Ikkada plus 3 into x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2 is equal to, don't cancel, no, denominator. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there, here 2, అన్నిట్లో 2 ఉన్నారు సార్ denominator. So cross multiply. So what I mean by this? 3 into x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 10 into x square minus y square plus 3 into x square plus y square plus 2xy. So 2 into 9, 18. Next, open the bracket. 3x square plus 3y square minus 6xy plus 10x square minus 10y square plus 3x square plus 3y square plus 6xy is equal to 18. 6xy will get cancelled. 3x square plus 10x square plus 3x square, 16x square. 3y square minus 10y square, so minus 7y square plus 3y square, so minus 4y square is equal to, what is the left over here? 18. Cancel with the 2 table. 8x square minus 2y square is 9. What is important here? The formula. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to x cos sin theta, capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Substitution of the values. Okay, please note down this. Okay, next. When axis is rotated by pi by 6, find the transform equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. Now what is the given theta? Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Now again capital X into cos 30, capital Y into sin 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2 minus capital Y into 1 by 2, which is so root 3x minus y by 2. What about next one? Capital X sin 30 plus capital Y cos 30. So capital X into 1 by 2 plus capital Y into root 3 by 2, that is x plus root 3y by 2. Therefore, transformed equation x square is replaced by whole square plus 2 root 3 into x is what, sir? Root 3x minus y by 2 capital X plus root 3y by 2 minus by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square. Observe here what we have done, we have substituted values. Okay, so whole square by 4 plus 2 root 3 into this way come x plus root 3y by 2 into 2 is how much? 4. Next minus of x plus root 3y whole square by 4 is equal to 2a square. Okay, it is not in a plus b into a. Now we are expanding this. 3x square plus y square minus 2 root 3 xy. X square a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus 2 root 3 ay plus 2 root 3 into root 3x into x, root 3 x square. Root 3 into x is root 3 x square. Root 3x into root 3y plus 3xy. Root 3 into root 3, 3 x into y, xy. Again minus xy. Y in, minus y into x. Then this becomes minus root 3 y square. Close the bracket. Then minus, I am not changing anything here. X square plus 3y square plus 2 root 3 xy. Here a minus b whole square, here a plus b whole square is equal to cross multiplication 8a square. So what I have done here, 4 is there. Ikkada 4 undi, ikkada 4 undi, ikkada undi, sir. Cross multiply chesam. I have opened a bracket. Observe here. 3x square plus y square minus root 3xy. I am opening the bracket with 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 2, 6. So it becomes plus 6x square. Okay. Again, 2 root 3 into 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 root 3. xy. Next, 2 root 3 into xy minus 2 root 3 xy. Then last 2 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Again 2 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 2s are 6. So it becomes minus 6y square. Right? Then open with minus sign. Minus x square minus 3y square minus 2 root 3 xy is equal to how much we got? 8a square. Now observe here. Minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy. So all this will get cancelled with the plus sign. Again 2 root 3, correct, 2, 1 more 2, 1 more 2, totally 6. 6 will get cancelled with this 6. So here 3x square plus 6x square, 9x square minus x square means 8x square. 3x square plus 6x square, 9x square minus x square means 8x square. then y square here minus 6y square minus 3y square. So what will happen? This becomes y square minus 6y square is minus 5y square minus 8y square is equal to 8a square. 8 will get cancelled everywhere. X square minus y square is equal to a square. Okay, here the simplification part is very, very important. Okay, copy this properly, sir. Okay, what is next problem? When axis rotated by angle alpha, find the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Now, what is the angle he has given? Theta is equal to alpha. So, here x cos alpha minus sin y alpha. We do not know angles, sir. Simply we write that. Then x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. So, I wrote theta is equal to alpha. Transformed equation. What is that? Small x is replaced by what, sir? Capital X cos alpha minus capital Y sin alpha into cos alpha plus y is replaced by what, sir? X sin alpha plus capital Y cos alpha into what is that we have tried here? What is there here? Sin alpha is equal to p. Ante x cos alpha. Okay, we will write here x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So, x is replaced by capital X cos alpha minus capital Y cos alpha into cos alpha is there here. Alage y is replaced by x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. Here sin alpha is there. Now, open the bracket. X into cos square alpha, y into sin alpha cos alpha. Just open the bracket. Here capital X sin square alpha plus capital Y sin alpha cos alpha is equal to p. These two will get cancelled. Take x common, cos alpha square alpha minus sin square alpha is equal to p. So, capital X is equal to p. Okay, so there is no angle, so no need, only alpha replaces cos alpha. Okay, please note down this. Next, when axis rotated by 45 degrees, the transformed equation of transformed equation is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. Find original equation right. Now, solution given, what is that given equation? Transformed equation. Given transformed equation. That is 17 capital X square, 16 capital X plus capital Y, 17y square is equal to 225. This is very, very important. Now, what is the theta value now he has given? 45 degrees. Now, I have to write the formula for capital X. Capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to small x minus small x sin theta plus small y cos theta. Okay. Now, observe here. In the previous problem flow, small x is equal to capital X. Here capital X. The formulas will be different. That's why you have to be careful here. So, here theta value how much he has given? 45. So, x into cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. So, this becomes x plus y by root 2. Next one, here sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. So, what is that we get? Minus x plus y by root 2. Therefore, original equation means what? Capital X is replaced by 17 into what is a small x, capital X are x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 16 into x plus y by root 2 into minus x plus y by root 2. So what we are doing here? We are replacing capital X and capital Y plus 17 into y square means what, sir? Whole square, 225. Now observe here, numerator is 17 into x square plus y square plus 2xy by root 2 square is 2 minus 16 into x into minus x square x into y xy plus xy, then x in y into minus x minus xy plus y square by 2. Again I am explaining here x plus y whole square. So a square plus b square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab by 2, then 16 into x into minus x is minus x square, x into y xy, y into minus x minus xy, y into y square, root 2 into root 2 2. Okay, next plus 17 into, this is a minus b whole square formula, x square plus y square minus 2xy by 2, right, is equal to how much? 225. Cross multiply. Minus x square plus xy minus xy will get cancelled, plus y square plus 17 into x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 225 into 2, 450. Right? Now open the bracket. 17x square plus 17y square plus 34xy minus how minus plus minus 16y square minus how minus plus 16x square. Now again open the bracket. 17x square plus 17y square minus 34xy is equal to 450. Cancel. Now 17 plus 16 plus 17, so it will be 50. 17 plus 16 33, 33 plus 17 50. 17y square minus 16y square is y square, y square plus 17y square 18y square is equal to 450. Cancel with the 2 table. 25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225. Is the original equation. So angular transformation we have done 4 problems. In axis transformation there are 2 important problems. One is the last problem which we have done. So these 4 and 5 problems if you learn, you get 4 marks from this chapter, sir. Weightage for this chapter is only 1 question will come for 4 marks. So you have to practice this problems. With this we have completed this chapter also. So we have completed locus, we have completed transformation of axis. Next is a very big chapter, that is a straight lines. Okay. So that chapter will start from next class.